Ibps Rrb Clerk's Prelims Model Test number 20. Let's try to solve the questions from reasoning part. Look at the first question. 9 members B, D, F, L, M, P, R, S and X are sitting in a straight line and all of them are facing north direction but not necessarily in the same order. M sits fifth to the right of B. My M sits fifth to the right of B. B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is M. How many places did I cover? 6. Total number of people 9. I need another 3 places. Then he says, but neither of them sit at any extreme ends of the lines. Another 2 here. How many did I get? 8. And I'm looking forward for only 1. Next line, Judu. S and R are immediate neighbors of B. S and R are immediate neighbors of B. Next, D is sitting to the left of R. My S and R are immediate neighbors of D, and these two positions will be occupied by S or R. D sits to the left of R. D sits to the left of R and pakka there should be another vacant seat here kada, and that position is for D. You put R here, this becomes S, and pakka that has to be D here. You put R here, this becomes S, and still that is the only position for D. But I am not sure with the positions of S and R. Clear? Next line. P is immediate neighbor of neither R nor M. This is not P and this is not P. Next, L sits to the right of X, but neither of them sit at any ends. X is not immediate neighbor of S. P is sitting to the right of X. P is sitting to the right of X, and P does not have any other option but P has to be here. Avuna kada. And this is pakka for X. Enduku these two places adjacent to P are already occupied by R and S. Now he said, what did he say? X is not an immediate neighbor of S. So this is S, this is R. What was the line before that? L is sitting to the right of X, but neither of them sit at the extreme ends. So pakka this is L. Who is left out? B, D, F. Or F. Done. Question is, how many persons are sitting to the left of F? How many? How many persons are sitting left of F? It is 8. Because F is sitting at the extreme right corner. Total number of people is 9. Then to the left of F we'll have 8. Do you have an option which says 8? No. But there is one option which says more than 4. How many persons are sitting between S and L? How many people do you see in between S and L? 4. Next, question number 7. What's question number 7? If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetic order from left end, how many of them do not change their places? So, B, D, F, L, M, P, R, S, X. How many of them do not change their places? Only 1. And who is that person? It is P. What about the next one? If B is related to P, how is B related to P? Third to the left of P. And D is related to R. How is D related to R? Third to the left of R. Who is related to? Who is related to M? X is related to M. Third to the left of M. Now let me get into the next puzzle here. 8 members are sitting around a square table. Only one person at each corner and each middle of the sides. The person at the corners are facing away from the center, and the person at the sides of the table are facing the center. How many persons according to the question? 8 persons. 4 of them are sitting in the middle of the sides. What about the direction of the one who was sitting in the middle of the sides? Side of the table are facing the center. See, I told you whenever you come across this type of question in the exam, I've been telling you from many days that you'll have, when you find a question where some are facing inside and some are facing outside, somewhere or the other you'll find a clue which says somebody is facing inside or somebody is facing outside. Do you have anything of that type here? See, look at the size of the question. It is very small, hardly 3 or 4 lines. Okay, now, what is the first one? K is second to the left, right of L. Only 2 persons are sitting between K and J. T is immediate right of J. Only 3 persons sit between G and P. S sits second to the right of G. P and N are immediate neighbors. N does not face anyone. Come on. If N is not facing anyone, then this person has to sit in the corners. Avana kada? Chapandama. And then he said, P and N are immediate neighbors. How many possibilities? Two possibilities. If this is P, there's one point on P and G. Three persons are sitting between P and G. When there are three people in between them, those two people should be opposite to each other. And then he says, S is second to the right of G. Ma S is second to the right of G and ikkade kada. See, this is one possibility that I am taking. If I don't get the answer, I still have a possibility where I can split this question into two cases. What about the next one? Come on. Come on. S sits second to the right of P, only three P. P and N are immediate neighbors. Anta అయిపోయింది. తర్వాత T and J. చెప్పండమ్మా. T is to the immediate right of J. T is to the immediate right of J. T is to the immediate right of J అంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా మల్టిపుల్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవునా కాదా? నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చదువు అసలు అక్కడ పాయింట్. K sits second to the right of L. K sits second to the right of L అంటే మనకి కార్నర్ పొజిషన్స్ మాత్రమే మిగిలిపోయినాయి, అవునా కాదా? K sits second to the right of L. చూడు బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, K sits second to the right of L. T sits to the immediate right of J. అవునా కాదా? మా స్క్వేర్ టేబుల్లో సెకండ్ రైట్ అంటే either both of them should in the middle of the sides or sit in the corners. This is the point that you should learn. To take in the middle of the sides, it is not possible because out of 4 middle we have occupied 3. Yes or no? So it is possible only in the corners. So ఏంటంటే whenever you try to solve questions on seating arrangement, there should be some points which should be rotating in your mind. If it says 3 people in between, pakka those 2 people will be in the opposite sides. Fourth to the right, fourth to the left, malli kuda opposite. Second to the right, second to the left ante if it is a square table, if one is sitting in the corner, the other one has also to sit in the corner. Or if somebody is sitting in the middle of the set, the other person should also sit in the middle of the sides. But what did I say here? K is second to the right of L. If I put L here and if I put K here, I have a problem. What is the problem? There is no place for T and J. Similarly, so pakka this is L, this should be K. Yes or no? And then what did he say? Pine student oksari. K is second to the right of L. Only 2 people sitting between K and J. కుదురుతుందా? ఎక్కడ జరిగింది పొరపాటు? ఇమీడియట్ గా this becomes P, this becomes G. Second right, చెప్పండమ్మా. Second right, S. Come on. K sits second to the right of L. అవునా కాదా? This is L, this is K. T sits to the immediate right of J. Once I have gone wrong, I have never read the question again. Avuna kada? So this is how you have to do, and you should be in a position to remember those 3 or 4 lines that you read. This is very important here. Who is to the immediate left of N? Who is to the immediate left of N? Immediate left of N anna. J amma. N is facing outside kada. What is the position of S from N? Right side, third. Shortest possible is third to the right. Which among the following pairs face each other? And they have to sit in the middle of the sides. SJ or PG? We have SJ in the options. Third option. 15th question. Which among the following is odd one? P and J. Minimum number of people in between P and J is 1. N and L. Minimum number of people is 1. S and P. Minimum is 1. J and K. 2 people in between the minimum. I am talking about the minimum number. T and K, minimum number is 1. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Question number 16 is on syllogisms. What's going on here? Some triangles are rectangles. Some triangles are rectangles. All triangles are circles. No circle is a square. What is the first one? Some rectangles which are not triangles. Please be careful with here. He says some rectangles which are not triangles. This area belongs to circles as well as rectangles. Avuna kada? So what ఏమంటున్నాడు? Some rectangles which are not triangles. Being a square is a possibility. Being a square. ఈ ఏరియాలో నేను స్క్వేర్ దించొచ్చా దించకూడదా? దించకూడదు. ఎందుకు? సర్కిల్ అండ్ స్క్వేర్ షుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ ఈచ్ అదర్. సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ? నో, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ. బట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సే some rectangle which are not circles, some rectangle which are not circles అంటే ఈ ఏరియా కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి. బీయింగ్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ పాసిబిలిటీ అంటే అప్పుడు ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఏరియా ఏదవుతుందో బౌండరీ బయట ఇవి సర్కిల్స్తో సంబంధం లేదు. అలాంటప్పుడు స్క్వేర్స్ వచ్చి ఆ ఏరియాలో కలవచ్చా కలవకూడదా? కలవచ్చు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమైపోయింది? ఈ ఏరియా ఏదైతే ఉందో మధ్యలో, దిస్ ఆల్సో బిలాంగ్స్ టు ది circles, and that is the reason why square cannot go there. Is this clear? So first one is becoming wrong. Some triangles are squares, no relation between them. So what's my answer? Neither one, not two. Only days are weeks. What do you mean by only days are weeks? All weeks are days, but week is an exclusive property of day. Next he says some days are months, no year is month. What's my first conclusion? All years are weeks is a possibility. Can I take all the years and put them inside week? No way. Nobody can touch week because week is an exclusive property of day. Next, all months are days. Do you see all the months inside days? No. What's my answer? Neither one, not two. Question number 18. Question number 18. Come on, let's see what's question number 18. All birds are animals. No animal is a reptile. Only few reptiles are insects. Arrow mark from B to A. What's the first one? Some reptiles are not birds. Some reptiles are not birds. Right or wrong? Right. But this is negative. What is the complementary? All reptiles are birds. Can all the reptiles go inside bird? No. So one is true. Some insects being animals is a possibility. Can some insects go and touch animals? Yes or no? Yes. Is it a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. So what's your answer? Both 1 and 2. 8 persons E, F, G, H, K, L, M and N are born on the same year in 4 different months. Those are September, October, November and December, and on 2 dates. Those are 7th and 24th of the given months, but only one person was born in each date, but not necessarily in the same order. So what are the months here? September, October, November, what are the different dates? 7th and 24th. And 24th. But December and October, 31 days. September and November, how many days? 30 days. 3 people were born between F and L. L who is born after F. L who is born after F. 2 persons are born between N and G. G who was born in even number date, but in the month not having odd number of days. G is born in even number date. And pakka G is what? 24th. And was born in the month which is having not having odd number of days. Ante this fellow G is born in September and November, and that too on 24th of September or 24th of November. How many possibilities do I have? 2 possibilities. What is my next line? Same number of persons born before K after H. Born before K after H. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఏదో రాశాడు కూడా మనకి, ఏమిటో చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. 2 persons are born between G and N కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చూడు అక్కడ, బిఫోర్ K. after H. K is not immediate to N. This is not K. This is not K. అంతేనా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నాకు ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి. నేను K ని ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నోనా? ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో తీసుకుంటే లాస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో ఎవరు వచ్చేస్తారు? హెచ్. K ని థర్డ్ ప్లేస్లో తీసుకోవచ్చా? థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్. K ని థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? తీసుకోకూడదా? తీసుకుంటే అప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ ఎవరు వస్తారు? హెచ్. కానీ Kకి సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఫర్ K. అవునా కాదా? సో ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్, ఐదర్ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లాస్ట్, థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్. ఎస్, ఏ కేసులో? ఫస్ట్ కేసులో. అర్థమవుతుందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటో చదవండి అమ్మా. M is born after E. H and F are born in the same month. H and F are born in the same month. Next line. E was born in an even number date. So E was born on 24th. H and F are born in the same month. So H and F are born in the same month. Ante, what should I do? How to solve this question? H and F are born in the same month. H's position is directly depending upon K's position kadamma. Cheppandamma. H's position is directly depending upon K's position. Yes, గుర్తు పెట్టుకో బాబు, F కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో మినిమం నలుగురు ఉండాలి. F కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో మినిమం ఎంతమంది ఉండాలి? మాట్లాడాలయ్యా. How many members? 4 members. So you do one thing, as I told you, if you put K here, this has to be H. Right side of impossible kada? Yes or no? So paina kuda ade story. So what should I do now, sir? Where should I fix this H and K? One thing is for sure, you can't take K here. Avuna kada? If I take K here, this is H. H and F are not born in the ఇక్కడ K తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ కూడా K తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Yes or no? Why H and F are born in the same month? Is it a possibility? No. Let me make a trial. If this is K, this has to be H. H and F are born in the same month. What is the gap? Amma? 3 people, and then it is, come on, and then it is L. కుదురుతుందా? కుదరదు కదా? ఇక్కడ K, ఇక్కడ H, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి? F. 1 2 3 L. కుదురుతుందా కుదరట్లేదా? ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు? E. Understood? I was just exploring the possibilities of K. How many persons are born between H and the one who is to be immediately after G? Immediately after G is K. In between H and K, I have 4 people. Next one. Which among the following statements is true? H is born in November month. Is H born in November month? No. G is born in odd number date. No. E is born before N. No. M is born in an even number date. Yes. Fourth option. 4 out of the following 5 are alike. F and L, same date, 7th. They are born on 7th. N and K are born on 7th. E and M are born on 24th, same date, not the month but date. H and G also on the same date, 24th. M and L, M is 24, L is 7. The date is different. Who among the following person is born on October 24th? It is E. 6 persons. Now you are talking about comparison. This comparison is regarding their weights. 6 persons, P, Q, R, S, T and U, each having different weight. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. P is heavier than U but lighter than Q. T is heavier than R but lighter than P. T is heavier than R but lighter than P. Antena? P is heavier than U but lighter than Q. The T is heavier than R but lighter than P. Q is lighter than S. R is not the lightest. If you observe carefully, before P there should be 2 persons and after P there should be 3 persons. Before P 2, after P 3 and 5 people are covered, including P it is 6 and we want 6 people here. Avuna kada? And P is in the third position, this is Q, this is S, R is not in the last place, this has to be R because before R there is P and this should be clear. Which among the following may be, sorry, there is something more here which is supposed to be covered. The second lightest person weight 52 grams, second lightest, while the third heaviest is 64, Who among the following may be of 58 kilograms in weight? 58 T. How many persons are heavier than R? 4 persons. Which of the following may represent the weight of Q? What's the weight of Q? It can be more than 64. Do you have an option which is more than 64 here? Come on. 66. మా మీరు మాట్లాడాలమ్మా, అలా సైలెంట్ కూర్చుంటే కుదరదు, చెప్తున్నా. Next question, 31 to 34. What's the question on? P, Q, R, S, T and B live in 6 different floors of the same building. Ground floor is numbered 1, so on till the topmost floor is numbered 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. What's the point here? Q lives on even number floor. Only 2 people live between the floors on which Q and V live. Q lives on which floor? Even number floor. This is Q, this is Q or this is Q, I am not sure. If this is Q, 2 floors between Q and V. Avuna kada? Next time to chadu. Trial ante. S lives immediately above the floor on which R lives. S lives immediately above R. There is only one possibility. S lives immediately above R. S does not live in the odd number floor. So S is living in the even number floor. No problem at all. P does not live on a floor that is immediately above or immediately below the floor on which T lives. P does not live in the lowermost floor. So this is P and this has to be T. And P and T are not living immediate to each other. Any problem? No problem. Did I get my answer? Yes. Next. Who amongst the following lives on floor number 6? Who is living on floor number 6? P. Next. 32. Which of the following is true? He says which of the following is true? Q lives on a floor immediately above P. Yes or no? Na? So first option itself is my answer. I told whenever first option itself is answer, you need to recheck all the options again. There is one option which says all are true. Check them. 4 persons live between P and T. Do you see 4 people in between P and T? Yes. So pakka, can I go for all are true? Yes. Because there is no option which says both 1 and 2. Avuna kada? If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order from bottom to top, then positions of how many persons remains unchanged. Positions of how many persons remains unchanged. You are supposed to go from bottom to top. P, Q, R, S, T, B. How many? 3. If P is related to S, how is P related to S? 3 second floor above S. T, R is related to T. How is R related to T? 2 floors above T. Which of the following is Q? Now, which of the following is related to Q? 2 floors above Q is what? S. Which should be related to Q ante S. Question number 35. 7 persons are born in the same year and month of different weekdays. Different weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, How many persons were born between, oh sorry, I need to get into the question kada. Yeah, question ఏంటో చూడమ్మా. P was born neither on, మాట్లాడాలి please. P was born neither on Thursday nor Wednesday. So this is not P and this is not P. Next, only two persons were born between P and S. The number of persons before S is same as the number of persons after M. Next is what, only one person between M and J. No person was born before T. ఇది ఒక్కటి పనికొచ్చేదట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. No one was born before T. B was born before D. B and T not adjacent. అంతేనా? చెప్పండమ్మా. సో ఏం జరుగుతుంది అక్కడ, ఎలా చేయాలి, ఎవరితో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం అమ్మా? పి ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి నాకు. పీని ఎక్కడెక్కడికి పి తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి, ఎస్ రావాలి, అవునా కాదా? అంతేనా? One possibility, I'm just exploring the possibilities for P. I'll have four possibilities for P. I'm not sure where is P. So next is what, two persons are born between P and S. The number of persons born before S is same as after M. This has to be M. Next, B was born before D. Amma, only one person was born between M and G. అక్కడ మిస్ అయిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తాం, పీకి ఎక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చు వెతికే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం. ఇది పి. అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవ్వాలి, ఎస్. సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ టాప్, సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ బాటమ్. దిస్ ఇస్ జే. బికాస్ ఎంతమంది, వన్ పర్సన్. ఎవరు మిగిలిపోయారు, బి అండ్ డి. దిస్ ఇస్ బి, దిస్ ఇస్ డి. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? ఎక్కడైనా పొరపాటు జరిగిందా? జరగలేదు. ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? సో సింపుల్ అమ్మ, ఏం లేదు, పాసిబిలిటీస్ని ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసుకోవటం లేకపోతే వెతుక్కుంటూ వెళ్ళటం చేయాలంతే. How many persons are born between D and B? How many between D and B? 3. M was born on which weekday? Saturday. Who was born on Thursday? J. Which among the following is odd one? TB. How many days gap? 1 day. PB, 1 day gap. DP, 1 day gap. JM, 1 day gap. S and M, 3 days gap. So which option is my answer? First option. Sorry, fifth option. What's the question on number series? Do we have number series here? What's the number for number series? Can you please tell me? 65. So we'll try to solve from 65. 65. Tell me whether the series is in increasing order or decreasing order. Increasing. Now do you see huge increase or gradual increase? Gradual. And moreover, this is the question on missing number. What's the difference between these two numbers? This is 5, 10, 23, 17, 26. 5, 10, 17, 26. Any guesses? N square plus 1. 2 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1. Again, 6 square plus 1, 37. 66 plus 37. What's my answer? 103. And if you don't immediately identify the number, the mistake that you do is you'll go for difference of difference. Appudu enta avutundi? 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. And appudu em chestavu? 11. కానీ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ చేయటం వల్ల నీకు 10 సెకండ్లు 15 సెకండ్లు టైం వేస్ట్ అయింది కదా. I'm wasting a minimum of 20 seconds. That's what I say in number series. As soon as you see the numbers, identify the specialty of it. That is very, very important. Very important. 4, 9, 16, 25. వద్దు భయ్ అది వద్దు అది. చలో అమ్మా ఓ విషయం చెప్తాను నేను. Shall I go from left to right or right to left? Whatever you say, that is better for me. You want me to go from left to right or right to left? See, 16 and 64, this is nothing but into 4 times kada. This is exactly 2 times. This is exactly 1 time. This is half. 1280 lo half enta? 640. 4, 2, 1, 1 by 2. And what should this number be here? Pakka 8. 0.5124 8. What number multiplied by 8 will fetch me 160? 20. Whatever the way you are comfortable, go with that. మా ఇదైతే చాలా ఈజీ, మీరు అందరు చేసేస్తుంటారు. సింపుల్. ఇదెంత? 2 times. ఇదెంత? 1 time. 1.5. This is 2.5. This is how much? Sorry, 18 into 2.5 కదా చెప్పాలి. 18 2 36 plus 9 2.5 కదా. This is into 3. What's the answer? 135. Done kada. So this was the clerk paper. I think now we are supposed to go for RRB PO. Okay now. So let's see the questions from RRB PO. RRB PO solve చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దామమ్మా. చలో చూడండి ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. There are 8 boxes, namely chocolate, medicine, jewelry, pens, pencils, papers, sketches and erasers are placed in a stack but not necessarily in the same order. The box at the bottommost position is numbered 1 and above that is number 2 and so on till the topmost position is numbered as 8. Okay na? Pencil box is placed at one of the odd positions but not at the bottommost position. A box gurinchi maatladindu pencil. So pencil is placed at the odd 3, 5, 7. Antena? But not at the bottommost. Next enti? More than 3 boxes are placed between pencil and paper. More than 3 boxes ante it should be 4 kada minimum number. If I put pencil here, 4 boxes, minimum 4 boxes between pencils and papers. Is it possible? Chepandamma. And a pencil has how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. It can be in the third floor or in the third place, or it can be in the 7th place. So this is pencil. This is one possibility that I have. What is the other possibility? Can you please tell me? This is pencil. Minimum 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is paper. But I am not sure you are with paper on the left side. Avuna kada? Next time to chudu. Sketches box is placed immediately above papers. Poinda leda. So sketches immediately above paper. Next. అమ్మా నేనేం చదివా మీరేం విన్నారు? What did I read? Sketches box is placed 2 boxes above papers. Sorry, 2 boxes above. Read it as immediate. Antena? So sketches box is placed 2 boxes above the papers. Eraser box is placed immediately above the jewelry. Immediately above jewelry is what? Eraser. Medicine box is placed above pen but not chocolate. And eraser box is not immediate to medicine box. Sketches box is not placed at the odd number position. Sketches box is not placed at the odd number position. ఇప్పుడు పేపర్ కి స్కెచెస్ కి లింక్ ఉంది కదమ్మా, చెప్పండి అమ్మా. సో పెన్సిల్ కి పేపర్స్ కి మధ్యలో ఎంత ఉండాలి? మోర్ దెన్ 3. మోర్ దెన్ 3 అంటే యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ 4, 5, 6 వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. This is pencil 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go for paper here. If this is paper 1, 2, this is sketches. Avuna kada? If I put paper here, 3 becomes sketches. But what's the clue on the right side? Sketches is not placed on the odd numbered position. Saripoyinda leda? Eraser jewelry. How many possibilities? Only one possibility. Eraser. This is jewelry. Last but one line is important for us. Medicine is placed above pens but not above chocolate. Medicine is placed above pens but not above chocolates. So medicine should come below chocolates. So order of the chocolates, medicine, pen. Chocolate, medicine, pen. Done? Chapanama. Which of the following box is placed immediately above the paper? What is immediately above the paper? Come on, what is immediately above the paper? How many boxes are placed between pencil and pen? How many between pencil and pen? Pencil is in the 7th place, pen is in the 1st place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following statements is a true? Pencil box is placed 2 boxes above the jewelry. Pencil is placed 2 boxes above jewelry. Yes. Paper box is placed at the even number position below sketch. Paper is in even and it is below sketch. Pakka right. Third, eraser box is placed at the odd number position. No. What's my answer? Both 1 and 2. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. So pakka it will be either in the odd position or in the even position. Pens and the 1, medicine 3, jewelry 5, pencil 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Pakka last option will be your answer. Evatama last option? Sketches. Okay, na? 8 persons are sitting on a rectangle table and facing the center, such that 2 persons sit on each sides of the 4 sides of the table but not necessarily on the same order, and they belong to different states: Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Telangana. The one who belongs to Amma, everybody is facing inside kada? Chappandi amma. So ఇలా తీసుకోవడంలో నేను తప్పు చేస్తున్నానా? చెప్పండి. ఎందుకు? Everybody is facing center. I'll do it in this way. Somewhere or the other I'll find a clue. It says some x and y are sitting on the same side of the table. If this is where x and y are sitting, this becomes one side of the table. This is the other side. This is one side. This is other side. Did I get 4 sides? Yes or no? So there's no rule that you need to draw a perfect rectangle and then take 2 people on each side. అలా ఇలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు, తప్పు లేదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎందుకంటే ఈజీ అవుతుంది మనకు కొంచెం. The one who belongs to Tamil Nadu sits. Come on, Tamil Nadu sits third to the left of the one who belongs to Karnataka. This is Karnataka. Third left is Tamil Nadu. Okay na? Next line. Amma. The one who belongs to Kerala and the one who belongs to Karnataka are not immediate to each other. Only one person sits between the one who belongs to Tamil Nadu and the one who belongs to Kerala. Can I go for Kerala here? No, because the sentence just before this says Kerala and Karnataka are not immediate neighbors. So this is the only possibility for Kerala. Next line. The one who belongs to Uttar Pradesh sits to the immediate left of the one from Puducherry. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. This or this. Avuna kada. Next line evito chadavu. The one who belongs to Uttar Pradesh is an immediate neighbor of Karnataka. Uttar Pradesh is an immediate neighbor of Karnataka. Ante pakka this has to be UP kadamma. Enduku UP is to the immediate left of Puducherry. Clear? Next line. The one who belongs to Bihar sits second to the right of the one from Puducherry. So this is Bihar. Next line. The one who belongs to Odisha and the one who belongs to Telangana are immediate to each other and sit on the same side of the table. The one who belongs to Odisha and the one who belongs to Tamil Nadu are immediate to each other. Odisha and Tamil Nadu are immediate. So this is Telangana. These two are sitting on the same side of the table. So this is your arrangement. Avuna kada? Cheppandamma. Which among the following sits immediate right of the one who belongs to Bihar? Immediate right of the one who belongs to Bihar is Tamil Nadu. How many persons are sitting between the one who sits to the immediate left of the one who belongs to Tamil Nadu and the one who belongs to Puducherry? Immediate left of the one who belongs to Tamil Nadu. Who is the one immediate left to Tamil Nadu? Bihar. Avuna kada? So in between Bihar and Puducherry, how many persons? The minimum number is 1. Who amongst the following sits to the immediate left of the one who belongs to Kerala? Immediate left of the one who belongs to Kerala is the one who belongs to Puducherry. 4 out of the following 5 are alike: Telangana and Tamil Nadu. Minimum number in between these two persons is 1. Bihar and Odisha, minimum number in between these two is 1. Uttar Pradesh and Telangana, minimum number is 1. Bihar and Kerala, they are immediate, minimum number is 0. Karnataka and Puducherry, minimum number is also 1. So what should be my answer? Bihar and Kerala. So this I have a question here which says about ఏమిటి? This is about syllogisms. Okay na? Only a few tables are chase arrow mark. Only a few tables are desk. Only a few tables are desk ante arrow mark from B to A, desk. No desk is chair. Because no desk is chair. They cannot touch each other. Avuna kada? Antena? Some desks can be chairs. Can some desk be chairs? No. Because he said no desk is chair. No table is chair. Is it good or wrong? Endukante there is some relationship between table and okay na? What's the answer? Neither one nor two. Only malls are shops. Evan cheptunnadu? Only malls are shops. Only malls are shops ante all shops are malls and shop is an exclusive property of mall. Some malls are theaters. No theater is complex. Some shops are complex. No. Some malls are not complex. Right? Negative, complementary. All malls are complex. When I try to take all the malls inside complex, you are trying to establish relationship between S and C or T and C, which is wrong. What's the answer? Only 2. ఓకేనా? ఎంని సి లోపల తీసుకుపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? ఎస్ కూడా టచ్ అవుతున్నాడు. ఎస్ అన్నోడు ఎవరిని టచ్ చేయకూడదు కదా? ఓన్లీ అ ఫ్యూ ఆరెంజెస్ ఆర్ యాపిల్స్. నో యాపిల్ ఈస్ కివి. ఆల్ కివీస్ ఆర్ పీచెస్. ఆల్ కివీస్ ఆర్ పీచెస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్? సమ్ ఆరెంజెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ కివీస్. ఏమంటాడమ్మా? మాట్లాడాలి బాబు. Some oranges are not kiwis. Right or wrong? Right. Positive or negative? Negative. What is the complementary? All oranges are kiwis. When you try to take all oranges inside kiwis, you will establish relationship between A and K, which is not possible. So what's the answer? Only one follows as of now. Next conclusion: all apples are peaches. No. So what's the answer? Only one. Next is a question on different floors of a building. How many persons? 10 persons. A, D, F, H, J, K, L, R, U and Z are living in 5-floor building which has 5 floors such that the ground floor is numbered 1, above it is numbered 2 and so on till the topmost floor is numbered 5. Each floor has 2 flats, flat X and flat Y. Flat X is on the west of flat Y. How many floors? 5 floors. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and each floor has how many flats? 2 flats. What are those 2 flats? X and Y. X is to the west of Y. Done kada? K is living to the north of R and only 2 persons are living between their floors and both are living in flat Y. నాకు విషయం చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ. ఇది ఒక మంచి పాయింట్. And if you misinterpret this clue, gone. You will not get the answer. అవునా కాదా? బాగా వినండమ్మా. విను బాబు. K lives to the north of R. ఇది పక్కా, అవునా కాదా? Two persons are living between their floors and both of them are living in Y. Two persons are living between their floors అంటే పొరపాటును గనక నువ్వు 2 ఫ్లోర్లు తీసుకుంటే గోల్ బండి. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Because it is not 2 floors between them. He said 2 persons are living between their floors. In each floor we have 2 persons. And the gap between K's floor and R's floor is only 1 floor. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Each floor has how many persons? 2 persons. So 2 persons are living between K and R and the gap between these two is only 1 floor. ఆ పొరపాటు కనుక మీరు చేయకూడదు. క్లూస్ ని కరెక్ట్గా అర్థం చేసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? అండ్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ Y. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమంటున్నాడు? K is living to the east of H and both of them are living on odd number floor but not on the top floor. K is living to the east of H. అంతే కదా? K is living to the east of H. ఇది R అనుకో, R కి K కి మధ్యలో ఓన్లీ 1 ఫ్లోర్. ఓకేనా? ఇది H. ఇది పరిస్థితి. బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఏ ఫ్లోరు మాట్లాడాలి. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఫ్లోర్ బట్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద టాప్. సో పక్క H and K should go to 3. Done. Next ఏమిటో చూడు. J leaves to the southwest of F. F కి సౌత్ వెస్ట్. ఎవరు? J lives to the southwest of F and is living in odd number floor. Evaru? So J has to be in first floor. 3 is occupied. J can never be in the 5th floor because there is no possibility for F if I take J in the 5th floor. So pakka this is J. Next evito. F is living immediately below D in the same flat. F is living immediately below D in the same flat. Any possibilities? Only one possibility. Immediately below D in the same flat. F. D and F. Ante kada? Next evito. L is living above U and below A in the same flat. L is living above U and below A. So L is living evatama. ఒక్కళ్ళు మిగిలిపోయారు. ఎవరు వాళ్ళు? Z. Done. 1. Who is living in the same flat? KU different. DZ, yes, living in flat Y. Both of them are living in flat Y. Z lives in which floor and flat? Z is living in second floor Y flat. How many persons are living below A? How many persons are living below A? Ma, living below 8 members amma, because there are how many floors below A? 4 floors. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Jagartha kangar padakandi. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and forms a group R and U. Immediate floors, different flats. Z and H, immediate floors, different flats. K and L, immediate floors, different flats. F and A, immediate floor, different flats. D and R, same flat, different floor. P, Q, R, S, T, U and B are born on different years. Write down the years. 1953. Their ages are with respect to the year 2022. సో ఏజెస్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ది ఇయర్ 2022 అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏజెస్ రాసుకుంటే బెస్ట్ కదా, చెప్పండమ్మా. 2022 calculation should be done based on 2022. 2012 and 2022 difference 10, 4 and 12 difference 8, 18, 97 2004 difference 7, అవునా కాదా, ఎంత 25, 84 and 97 difference 13, 38, 72 84 12, 50, 65 72 7, 57, 53 65 difference, come on, 12, 12 కదా, 27 plus 12 69. Done. So first, the sum of the ages of R and U is 48. Sum of the ages of R and U is 48 ante 10 plus 38, yes. 18 plus 30 లేదు, 25. చెప్పండమ్మా, sum of the ages of R and U is how much? 48. Any possibilities? Sorry, 18 plus 38 అన్న, 10 plus 38 అక్కడ, 10 plus 38 ఎంత, 48. ఇంకేమన్నా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా లెక్క పెట్టండి, ఇంకా ఏమన్నా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయా లెక్క పెట్టండి. నో పాసిబిలిటీ. ఆర్ వాజ్ బోర్న్ ఆఫ్టర్ 97, సో పక్కా ఆర్కి ఎన్ని ఛాన్సెస్, ఓన్లీ వన్ ఛాన్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ యూ. డన్. నెక్స్ట్, neither P nor S is 18 years old. This is not P, this is not S. The age difference between S and T is 32. S and T difference is 32. What are the possibilities? 18 plus 32, 50. Unda leda? Yes. 25 plus 32, 57. Idu kuda chance undi. Inka 38 plus 32 ఇంకా పైకి పోయే అవకాశం లేదు మనకి, వేస్ట్. ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమిటంట, V is older than P but not the oldest person. V is older than P. For example, 25 57, if I go for S and T, S or T, P or S, this is not the place for P, this is P and this is V. I have committed a mistake. He said V is older than P but not the eldest person. కానీ నువ్వు వీని ఏం చేసినావు, ఎల్డెస్ట్ పర్సన్ తీసుకున్నావు. సో ఎక్కడ జరిగింది ఆ పొరపాటు, S and T. So S and T cannot be 25 and 57. S and T should be 18 and 50. But S is not 18. So this is T, this is S. అవునా కాదా, చెప్పండమ్మా. సో P and V, V is not the eldest అన్నాడు కదా, this is V. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎవరు రావాలి, ఒక్క వ్యక్తి మిగిలిపోయాడు, ఏమిటో అతని పేరు. Done. Okay, please respond, students. Don't sit idle in the class. When you sit idle in the class, it becomes very boring. Who among the following is the oldest person? Who is the oldest person? Q. Next, what is the difference between the ages of U and Q? 38 and 69. How much is the difference? 31, 24. T was born in which year? 2004. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. 1965 and Q, immediate. 2004 and R, immediate. 1984 and P, 1984 and P, immediate. 1953 and U, no. These two are not on immediate persons. 72 and V, yes, immediate. Which option is my answer? 8 persons P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, B and A are sitting in a straight line. All of them are facing north direction. Each person likes a different colors, namely red, orange, white, blue, black, green, pink and yellow, but not necessarily in the same order. What is the total strength? V sits third to the right of Y. V sits third to the right of Y. Y who likes orange. Y does not sit any extreme ends of the lines. Done kadamma. Next, only 2 persons sits to the left of R. The 3 persons sit between R and the one who likes green. Then next, X and B do not like red. A sits to the left of R. R who does not like yellow. R who does not like yellow, and he sits at the extreme ends. A sits to the left of R. Whenever I say end, I am directly referring to A. And A sits at one of the extreme ends of the lines. Done. Next point. The one who likes yellow and white adjacent to white. Adjacent to white. P sits third to the left of Q. Q ki third left lo evaramma P. Next. No person sits to the right of blue. This is blue. Person sitting between B and A is same as the person who likes orange and X who does not like pink. B and A is equals to orange and X. సరే ఇక్కడ వరకు అయితే వచ్చాం. మరి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఏందనో చెప్పండి. Which is the best way of solving the question? Shall I explore the possibilities for Y? Yes or no? What are the possibilities for Y? Can I fix Y here? చెప్పండమ్మా. There's one point that you're supposed to keep in your mind here. The one who likes yellow and white sits adjacent to Y. That is why this R cannot be yellow and R will be white and A will be yellow. If this is white, Y, R will be white and this person will be yellow. If I put Y here, this will be B. అవునా కాదా? అంటే వైకి ఎన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తున్నాయి మనకి? 3 పాసిబిలిటీ. ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేస్తే తప్పేముంది? ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? వైట్. ఇదేమని తీసుకుంటాం? ఎల్లో. ఈ వ్యక్తిని ఏమని తీసుకోవాలి? ఆరెంజ్. వైకి థర్డ్ రైట్లో ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు? పి. అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు క్యూ అండ్ పి. కెన్ ఐ గో ఫర్ క్యూ ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ బ్లూ? Can I go for Q in the place of blue? Can I go for Q in the place of green? Come on. And this is the only possibility. There is no other possibility other than this. Avuna? Point entity, akkada point, the person sitting between B and A is same as the person who likes between orange color and X. B and A. If I put B and A adjacent, orange and X should be adjacent. Kani orange is adjacent to, sorry, B and A. Already A undi kadamma. B and A how many people? Amma? B and A how many people? 3 people. And orange and X ఎంత మంది ఉండాలి? 3 people. This is మిగిలిపోయిన ఒక వ్యక్తి పేరు. మిగిలిపోయిన ఒక వ్యక్తి పేరు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. And he said X and B do not like red. Who should like red? P. X does not like pink. Last line. So who should like pink? P. There's one color left out. Amma? Done? He likes which of the following colors? Pink. How many persons sit between B and the one who likes red color? B and the one who likes red color. How many persons? No one. What is the position of the one who likes yellow color with respect to the one who likes black color? Yellow with respect to black. Left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then find the odd one. B and Q 1 person. P and Y 1 person. A and R 1 person. X and Z 1 person. A and Z not 1. More than 1. Number series chappandamma. Mighta question is easy. I am sure you will be able to do it kada. Enta number? ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా, హ్యూజా గ్రాడ్యువలా, గ్రాడ్యువల్, అవునా కాదా? ప్రోడక్ట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మినిమం ఈ లాస్ట్లో ఇంటూ 2 చేసినా ఆడ ఎటు వెళ్ళిపోతాం, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 594 దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం. ఆడేమో 544 454 ఉంది. సో కుదరదు, ఇంటూ చేసుకోవడం వల్ల పెద్ద ఉపయోగం లేనట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. డిఫరెన్సెస్ చూద్దాం, చెప్పు. 2 9 28 2 9 28 చూడంగా నేను అర్థమైందా? వెళ్ళిపోవాలమ్మా, మైండ్లో బల్బ్ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, లేకపోతే చాలా చాలా కష్టం. పోనీ ఈ నెంబర్ చూసినాక మాట్లాడదాం. 46 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్, 65. ఇప్పుడన్నా వెలిగిందా? n క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1, దిస్ ఇస్ 1 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1, 2 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1, 3 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1, 4 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1. దిస్ షుడ్ బి 5 క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 1, 126. అన్నా కదా? సో 111 ప్లస్ 126 is it 297? No. Is this clear? What should be my next number? 6 cube plus 1, 217. Done? Increasing or decreasing? Ma increasing. Huge అని చెప్పొచ్చా, గ్రాడ్యువల్ అని చెప్పొచ్చా? గ్రాడ్యువల్. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఇక్కడ? 14. ఇదేమిటో 28. This is what? Come on, how much? Come on, please talk. Amma? 42. 14, 28, 42. 14, 28, 42. What is your observation? Come on. 14 ones, 14 twos, 14 threes. Next to 14 fours. What is 14 fours? 56. And this should have been 150. అవునా కాదా? నెక్స్ట్, ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా? మా లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్ వెళ్తే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ వెళ్తే అడిషన్. ఏది బెటర్ అని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు మీరు? లెఫ్ట్ టు రైటా, రైట్ టు లెఫ్టా? రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. ఏది కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉంటే దాంతోనే వెళ్ళండి. ఇదెంత? +3 +6 +12. చాలు, ఇక్కడతో నాకు అర్థమైపోయింది. 3 6 12 అంటే నెక్స్ట్ 24. 22 + 24 46. ఎస్, ఇక్కడ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 48. 46 + 48 is not 90. Clear? ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా? డిక్రీజింగ్. ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా అమ్మ? డిక్రీజింగ్. సో ఏం చేద్దాం? డిఫరెన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్ అయితే మైనస్, రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ అయితే ప్లస్. మీరు ఏది కంఫర్టబుల్ అయితే దాంతో వెళ్ళండి. ఎంతో చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ? 128 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్? 31 ప్లస్ 31. హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్? ప్లస్ 21. హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్? ప్లస్ 13. 31 21 13. ఏమన్నా అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు. సరే చూద్దాం మెల్లగా ఇటేంటో పరిస్థితి. 93కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే నాకు 193కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 201 వస్తుంది? వీటి వల్ల అయితే పెద్ద ఉపయోగం కనబడట్లేదు. అర్థం కానప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ 10. అప్పుడు వాట్ షుడ్ దిస్ హ్యావ్ బీన్? 6 అండ్ దిస్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ 4 కదా? మేబీ, అవునా కాదా? 13 and 6 డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఎంత రావాలి అక్కడ? 13కి -6 చేస్తే ఏం వచ్చింది అని అడిగాను. 13 - 6 करे तो क्या आएगा? మాట్లాడండి అమ్మా. 7 - 4 193 - 7 193 + 7 సారీ 193 + 7 +3. ఇంక్రీజింగా డిక్రీజింగా? మా హ్యూజ్ ఇంక్రీజా, గ్రాడ్యువల్ ఇంక్రీజా? you have to go for products. Best is go from 2 digit to 3 digit. 32 into 3, 96 plus 10. 11 to 22 plus 10 into 1 plus 10. 106 into 4 plus 10. What is 106 into 4? 424 plus 10. 434. Which is wrong? 420. Is this clear?